is please show how to create a two-person animation using MetaHumans, not getting possible using the same steps as Mannequin. Please demonstrate with a simple example. So in the lecture, we have explained how we can do the two-person animation with the help of the mannequin, right? We chose two mannequins. That means there are two blueprints, and one blueprint will interact with the other blueprint, is the other person, other NPC, and with the help of a button, like when I press E, I'll interact with the other blueprint, and accordingly it will add an animation, and I will also do an animation. Now, the reason over here the person is saying, with the help of MetaHumans, he is not able to get the same thing. If I have that same level, I think we did in the third person map, but I can give you a simple overview what I would do if I want to do the same, right? But if you have a video, then it will be easy to explain and for you to understand as well, right? So until this is loading, right, I can give an example of what can be done. So there are two NPCs. One thing you need to make sure that if you are using a metahuman, if you are controlling a metahuman, the input should be with that metahuman. If the input is not with the metahuman, even if you are pressing E button or any button to interact with the NPC, it won't work. Alright, so make sure that the inputs are attached with the metahumans itself. So that is the first step we have to do. So once we have all the inputs, now the metahuman will interact with the other metahuman. So before that, what we need to know whether we are colliding with that metahuman or not, right? So what we did, we made like a box trigger around the NPC, both of them, right? So when not both of them, I guess only one NPC we made like a box trigger, or we added a capsule collider. So anything you can use, any trigger you can use. So once with one NPC is inside that trigger of another NPC, we get a notification, right? We can print something, we have an event. Event begin overlap. We can use that event, right? And once we have it, and then we press button E, then we just add an animation to the NPC and add an NPC, add an animation to our NPC, right? So that's how this will work. So if you have like a screen recording, then I can explain you better why you are stuck, right? Because reading this, I cannot understand where you are stuck, right? You're saying that how to create two-person animation using MetaHuman, not possible using same steps. So where are you stuck exactly? That I would need to know so that I can help you understand better, right? So that was a simple overview what I gave. You need to use event triggers or event begin overlap in second blueprint, right? So let me just quickly open this up. So this is an example of chaos blueprint actually. So this is again a glitch happening. See, you can see that my mouse is not showcasing when I'm inside over here, but my mouse is showing over here, but not inside. This is mostly happens when you're using a laptop. What you need to do is just minimize this and then just scale it, and then you'll see the mouse is there inside now. All right. So what we can do, I can showcase you with the Mannequin again itself. It will be same with the MetaHuman, right? So let me take this guy. Okay. So if you remember, we had made event trigger inside the warehouse itself. When we are close to the garage lift door, then the lift door opens up. When we are outside of that range of the garage door closes. If you remember how we made it, it is the same trigger that we need to use in another NPC itself, right?